How to use Interac eTransfer Bulk. As a business owner, you need ways to efficiently manage payments and free up time for other important tasks. With Interac eTransfer Bulk, you can pay multiple vendors or employees, send high-limit transfers to other businesses, or even collect payments from customers. To start, you'll need a Canadian bank account with the participating financial institution and Interac eTransfer for Business enabled, access to your online banking service, and an email or phone number to receive notifications. Let's review how to use Interac eTransfer Bulk Payables. Sign in to your online banking service. Upload a file with the required information. This includes the amount being paid, the recipient's name, and either their email address, phone number, or account number. Depending on your financial institution, you can send up to 10,000 payments in one file and pay up to $25,000 per transaction. After sending, you, the recipient, and your financial institutions will receive real-time confirmation that payment is complete. Now let's review how to use Interac eTransfer Bulk Receivables. Sign into your online banking service. Then upload a payment file that includes the amount being requested and the recipient's email address or phone number. Once completed, you, the recipient, and your financial institutions will receive real-time confirmation that payment is complete. Learn more at interac.ca.